waving.
Lyndon.
Wave to Daddy. Say hi. Say hi, Daddy. You say hi? Say hi. Busy. Whoa, getting low. Whoa, watch your hands when you punch. Thank you. Good boy. What's the next one?
The Canadians.
Anything over there?
The Canadians. The Boston Bruins. The Canadians, okay?
Montreal Canadiens going home.
I know he's gonna do that.
Stinks, huh?
Sounds kind of good. It's kind of good.
Lyndon.
Are you singing the Montreal Canadiens song?
I like it though. I like the Canadian song.
Alright, we still.
Good.
Yeah, it's alright. What's that?
The Boston Bruins. The Boston Bruins. Lightning, want to get the... Well, the Lightning want to get the... Lightning beat the Montreal Canadiens. Dude, how did they beat a single?
Tampa Bay's playing Florida tonight. I mean tomorrow.
Tampa Bay's playing Florida.
Tomorrow.
Oh yeah, Tampa Bay. They're gonna rock the Panthers.
Oh, they are?
They're like. Okay, Mommy, I'm gonna tell you what's next.
Okay, what's next? The Capitals?
Yeah, I like them. I like the song. Hurry! Where's the song?
How come we went to that?
Lyndon.
Hey, calm down.
It's Montreal. You just put in Montreal. You just had an
Don't
L.
get mad at me.
You did an L.
Lyndon.
Washington Capitals. Here it comes, Lyndon. Happy now? Lyndon doesn't like that one. Yeah.
You dancing?
He's watching you. What's next?
Gee. North Carolina. Theirs is good.
Say bye to Daddy. Bye-bye.
Daddy.